Unraveling the phrase, a bird on the wire. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make English language learning fun and easy. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms and phrases, focusing on one that's as intriguing as it is poetic: a bird on the wire. Join us as we explore its meaning, origins, and how you can use it in everyday conversations. Let's get started. The phrase, a bird on the wire, might conjure up a literal image of a bird perched on a telephone wire or similar. However, in the context of English expressions, it carries a deeper meaning. This phrase is often used to symbolize freedom, vulnerability, and the act of observing. A bird on the wire is free to fly away at any moment, yet it chooses to stay balanced and watchful, embodying a state of being that is at once secure and exposed. Interestingly, the popularity of this phrase can be partly attributed to the song "Bird on the Wire" by Leonard Cohen, released in 1969. Cohen's lyrics speak of struggle, redemption, and the yearning for freedom, resonating with many listeners and embedding the phrase into popular consciousness. While the phrase might predate the song, its widespread use in English can certainly be linked to the emotional depth and imagery Cohen's song provides. In modern English, a bird on the wire can be used metaphorically to describe someone who is observing from a distance, or someone who maintains their independence and detachment, yet is vulnerable to potential threats. It's a powerful way to depict the delicate balance between freedom and risk, observation and involvement. For example, you might say, "She's like a bird on the wire, always watching from the sidelines, ready to fly away at the first sign of trouble." To help you better understand how to use this phrase, here are a few examples. Despite his success, he always felt like a bird on the wire, never fully comfortable with his achievements. Living abroad made her feel like a bird on the wire, observing new cultures from a safe distance. As a journalist, he prides himself on being like a bird on the wire, detached, yet always attentive to the details. And there you have it. A bird on the wire is more than just a picturesque phrase. It's a metaphor for freedom, observation, and the delicate balance between security and exposure. We hope this video has shed some light on its meaning and usage, enriching your English language skills. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more interesting explorations into the English language. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.